Asian stocks mixed as weak dollar weighs on U.S. economic data file. In this June 24, 2016, file photo, people walk by the New York Stock Exchange. Stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time on Wednesday, August 292, 2018. AP photo, Richard Drew, file, Singapore, AP. Asian markets were mixed Thursday as positive sentiment from U.S. economic data and the country's willingness to strike a trade deal with Canada was shaken by a weaker dollar. Keeping score, Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 added 0.2% to 22,883.64 and the Kospi in South Korea gained 0.3% to 2,316.35. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was 0.4% lower at 28,297.41. The Shanghai Composite Index fell 0.6% to 2,752.13. Australia's S Index is higher on Wednesday. Stocks have rallied for 4 days as investors grew more hopeful about trade talks between the U.S., Mexico and Canada. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.2% to 26,124.57 and the Nasdaq Composite jumped 1% to a record 8,109.69. The Russell 2000 index of smaller company stocks climbed 0.4% to 1,734.75. U.S. economy grows. The U.S. economy grew at a strong 4.2% annual rate in the April to June quarter, the best showing in nearly 4 years, the Commerce Department said Wednesday. Strength in business investment offset slightly slower consumer spending, placing growth on track to produce the country's strongest full-year gain in more than a decade. Economists expect growth to slow to a still solid 3% annual rate the rest of the year, resulting in full-year growth of 3% for 2018. Possible trade deal. President Donald Trump has said that efforts to reach a deal with Canada in the new North American Free Trade Agreement were probably on track. The longtime U.S. ally and the country's second-largest trading partner after China had been left out of talks for the past 5 weeks. Canada has until Friday to reach a deal. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said there was a possibility of getting to a good deal for Canada by Trump's deadline, but said the country will not sign a bad agreement. Mexico, long the target of Trump's ire, has cut a preliminary deal with the United States to replace NAFTA with a pact that's meant, among other things, to shift more manufacturing into the United States. Analysts take the positive impulse seen in the U.S. market has not flown through to Asia. Weakness of the dollar has reversed sentiment in the markets overnight, Michael McCarthy, chief market strategist at CMC Markets in Sydney, said in an interview. Energy, oil prices have extended their gains on concerns that looming sanctions on Iran may cause supply to drop. Benchmark U.S. crude added 13 cents to $69.64 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. The contract edged 1.4% higher and closed Wednesday at $69.51. Brent crude, used to price international oils, gained 12 cents to $77.58 in London. Currencies, the dollar eased to 111 yen and 63 sen from 111 yen and 69 sen. Euro advanced to $1.1703 from $1.1699. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.